Yo YouTube, it's Mr. B from Pint of Stuff here, and we are coming right back at you with yet another sneaker unboxing. You know exactly what this is. This thing here, you know what it is. You read the title. I don't know what I'm doing there, I'm banging the box. But we're going to go over here because I genuinely promise you that I have not looked at these yet. But I needed to take them out of the box because I actually needed the box to send some stuff off to somebody else. But anyway, here we go. We have got a Nike SB Dunk Low Pro Quick Strike. They are chili red, black, white. God, my eyes are getting so bad, everyone. They're so bad. And the UK sizes are 10.5. That makes them a US 11.5. They're a women's 13. And the code is CT2550600. And look what we got. So we know it's a quick strike. SJ, come back over here into the middle. There we go. Oh, creaky, creaky. So, woodcut paper. Not surprising. Ooh. Okay. So, let us rustle. There we go, everyone. There we go. So, look at this. Zoom. It is the Habibi Dunk. It is the Dunk done in collaboration with Frame. But let's go to another camera, SJ, over there if we can, because I think we need the light on this. I think we need the light. So first of all, I'm gonna spin that around. Oh my word! It is. I say it every time, and I know you've heard me say it many times. It is a thing of beauty, but actually, there's a lot of detail in this. It is. I'm led to believe a love letter to Dubai. Frame Skateboards, the shop over there. Sorry, Frame in Dubai. I've been thinking about this for a long time, and apparently this was conceived in Amsterdam a couple of years ago, and it's taken them this long to bring it to life. But shall we go and look at the details, SJ? Yep, this camera. We good on this one? Yeah. Okay. I'm getting directed because it's... So first of all, I'm going to come right into the swoosh there. So you can see that double swoosh. You can see that you've got a leather and what looks like a corduroy to me, green corduroy, the double swoosh. You can see that material on the side panel there. It is different. Now, if we come to the front on the toe box, what you've got there, everyone, obviously you've got that tumbled leather, red and white classic colours, but yours, the red, white and green, obviously representing UAE, I believe. We've also got, oh my word, these laces are amazing. We've got, let's go over here. I don't want to hang out on the same camera all the time. We've also got, and what you can't see, everyone, is SJ running between the cameras. We've got, right, I'm going to go straight in. Oh, it's not showing. I've undone them. We've got a double, which is the best way, that way. Can we focus on the tongues? There we go. You've got that double tongue. Let me just tip that down. Oh, it doesn't really show. Oh, that's really frustrating. I'm going to come back to the tongues. But as you can see, the laces are very special as well. And you know what I like about these is, aside from the amazing representation there, I like the fatness of them. Now I'm going to flick this round because I thought that these were a gum sole. And they are. But under these lights, they're also sort of translucent, which I don't know if that's been picked up there. Can you see it? It is very good. Very good, right? And then, right, so there's some more things we're going to talk about. I'm going to loosen them off. So I'm going to loosen this off. I think SJ's got a dog to contend with and a bunch of wires. And so she is dancing behind the camera. Literally doing a little jig. Oh my word. Oh, let's get the paper out. Oh, that could have had your eye out. That could have genuinely had your eye out there. Because I want to show you this double tongue. So the first thing is, and I'm not going to take the tongue out on live, but if we come in close, SJ, can you see the, I think that's a hawk. And then on the inside, on the label, what we've also got, can you see Frame there? Yeah, you probably actually, if we go over here, SJ, can we flick it over? Probably see frame, and then actually if we bring it back, you can see the detail of the hawk. I'm going to bring that in close there. Now the other thing as well though is on the first tongue, the real tongue, which is in black, have a look at that. Can you see the detail there? Oh, it's not really picking it up. Ah, there we go. I'm going to try and flick that. No, black on black is really hard to pick up. I wonder if this light with a different angle on the light, SJ. Ah, yes, perfect. You can see that there. That's the beauty of having these lights, that they're let's show it again. The beauty of the lights is that you can actually see the detail. So then and the other thing as well is obviously on the inside of the tongue it said frame on the first tongue, and then you can see it say Habibi there. So the other element that we need to show as well, and we are going to get this, and I really like these as inner soles, is I'm going to pull them out. And we all know that technically dunk inner soles are not stuck in, they're just held in there. Oh my word. And it is always... All right, everyone. Let's see if we can get down into this bad boy. Let's see if we can do this. Because these are a wonderful mosaic. There we go. There, look at that. Is that not amazing? And obviously zoom heel unit, as you'd expect. So I'm going to put that back in, because I'm just going to see if there's any other details in the shoe that I've missed. Now I've talked about the toe box, and we'll have another little look at that on this front camera here. And of course, if you don't know what we do, everyone, we do tend to do these sneaker unboxings. We do stream every Sunday as well. We stream on YouTube here, where you're watching it, every Sunday night at about 8 PM UK time, 12 PM Pacific, 3 PM Eastern. And we talk about shoes. We show you the shoes that we've worn that week. We talk with you in the chat. We go through Instagram. We go through some of the news that I found, and generally we try and amuse each other. You, us, everybody. So let's just spin that round again. I'm going to look on the heel, SJ. So what we've now got, if you're new around here, is SJ, who's operating the cameras behind me, in front of me. She got a thing for Nike and E. We've all got a thing for Nike, but like, look at the E. I think this might be the best E this year, SJ. What do you think? What do you think? I'm getting a bit of a thumbs up. I'm going to go over to this other camera where it's a bit lighter. This other camera where it's a bit lighter, and you can see that the E, I'm going to give that a 7 out of 10 for E-ness. I've just made that metric up there. But yeah, 7 out of 10. Oh my word. This fabric on the side, I didn't really get a proper look at it. It's really good. Right, let's come right in again. I really like that little detail there. They're really nice. Really, really nice. Now, sorry, I'm getting told to lift it up. This is like doing a little bar session or something. I'm like, lift up, 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 down, 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 up, down, da, 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 da. Let's come right in. Like, look at that. Like, you are really look at the swoosh. The double swoosh there. If I come in like that angle, you're really getting to see detail. Now, there's not many other YouTubers that go this close and in focus, but boom. Because you want to see as well. Let's go over here, SJ. You want to see as well. You do. You want to see the alternate laces. And my word. And they're made of a really peculiar fabric. They're actually made of the right fabric, as far as I can tell. We've got on the center camera. SJ's having trouble today. She's it's dancing with a dog. It's like literally. So we've got. You can see that's the one set of alternate laces, and they come with standard SB laces there. But also, so you get the white, and then finally, you get the black. So black SB laces. In fact, SJ, you were probably right to go over to this camera. SJ's rarely wrong, she tells me. Very regularly. Rarely wrong. Look at that. That's a really nice choice. Now, if I just flick that like that, you get to see all the lace colours together. Let me know in the comments, what do you think? Are you really feeling these? Because they are very nice. Hasn't SB had a bit of a special year this year? You know what we didn't mention as well? So you've got that tumbled leather on the front, that white tumbled leather, or at least SB tumbled leather. You know what I didn't mention? I did not mention this here. That bit, that panel there. If we focus on that, SJ, can we? Yes, we can. And I'm going to come in closer, tappy tappy, And hopefully, am I too close? Okay, we're going to come back a little bit. You can't really tell there, but that's also tumbled leather. It's really, really nice. And the leather here on this mudguard, this is what I would consider standard SB leather. You can't see. Okay, well, we'll come over back to the center. Sorry, I was sort of talking to myself a little bit there. This, I would consider this to be standard SB leather. It's really nice. The red is very much like a Chicago red. And so obviously you've got the red, the white and the black. But adding that green just takes it to a whole other place. Now, if I look at the midsole is this isn't a perfect white. I would say that this was like a sail white as well. And as is the stitching. So it's really, really, really good. It's a bit special. Like, haven't SB been doing such good things this year? This is like, I think this is one of the best store collabs that we've seen. I was going to say in a while, but obviously then Concepts to just do their thing. I think what we're seeing is the stores themselves really thinking about what they actually want to do from a collab point of view. If you think about this, if you think about Concept, if you think about Civilist, like there's so many great stores out there that are coming up with amazing combos. All right, let's have another look. Let's just take that there. Spin, spin, sugar. It is pretty marvelous. Let's have a look like that. Oh my word. If only I had an overhead camera. I'm not going back to that. But like, look at that. It is pretty special, isn't it? So what do you think? Did you manage to get these? I know they were super hyped again. Prices were silly on StockX, as always at the moment. But I think they've done a really good job. It's a really great interpretation. And I think Frame should be commended for like how they've thought about this, and actually every single detail is clearly shown. And if you haven't seen it, I think Frame talk about what they were thinking about with these in the sneakers app. Nike SB have put together like a little montage of things, and I think they talked to how this came about. So I would definitely go and look at that. But before you go and do that, don't forget to go and check out one of those videos over there, because I think everyone, you might enjoy one. And the last thing for me to say is don't forget to subscribe, like all of that malarkey, and we'll see you in the next video.